Guys, good morning to all viewers and subscribers. In our place here in Bohol, Bago Buenavista, Bohol, our plants here. It all starts. Their name is all starts with letter A. This is Atubog. Atubog. Madri Cacao, Hagunoy, yeah. Another place, their plants don't have a name. It's koan lang here in our place. Okay, wilabang there. That one, look, that one. It's a coconut tree. See, there's always a letter A. It starts with letter A. This one, Amadri Cacao. Oh. Amadri Cacao, Amadri Cacao. Oh. See, it's always letter A. Oh, a banana. Look, that's a banana. Then their animals. The name of their animals also starts with letter A. A cow. See, oh, it's a cow. Here. A malunggay, a dragon fruit. The dragon fruit, the flower of the dragon fruit is rotten, but there's no fruit. There, amarang. Amarang is hilaw, not ripe, not ready to eat. So let's move forward. Oh, that's my nanay. The people also here starts with letter A. Oh, ananay. Ananay koring. Ananay koring. Ako ang kanay.
Kisa mo ni?
Ako
Apo!
There, ananay koring. Asami na.
Utan kayo natin.
Asami na.
Utan o makadlaw.
Their animals here also. The name of their animal. A dog. See? All of living things here in our place. It starts with letter A in their name. Oh, a banana, a coconut, a Madri Cacao. Woo, see that? Looks amazing. Oh, it's also amazing. A stands for amazing. Huh? That's why, Oh. We're already at our home. Oh. Look. Can you view them? Oh, that's also the place. A bridge. Oh, it starts also letter A. You know that? Oh, whew, it's so very fantastic day. Because it's a sweet day. Imagine we're walking almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour. Oh my God. Whew. And our clothes is not in a bit but sunbathing already. Not but sunbathing.
Sweet bathing.
Sweet bathing lang. Oh. See this one. This is insect. This is what we call a spider. It also it starts also letter A. A spider. Huh? See? That's our neighbor. Jojo. Oh. Yeah. See? Whew.
Yan, hindi lagi ito aya. Yeah.
Aya to. Aya. Oh, it's also starts with A. Oh, a banana. A banana fruit. That is a banana with nest. Oh. Nest of bird.
Sagdi na.
Yes. Oh, a banana. Uy, what's that? A bunot. Oh, I'm shocked.
You put your stick on
yeah.
poop.
I thought it animal, kind of animals that call shit. Oh, there's a way there. Oh, maybe it's maybe it's spider or whatever. but it's not. I think that it's not one of the spider that I search, because a search is over. Here with me all the while. Oh, let me see you our river. Oh, our
Gio.
Agio. Oh, look, we don't have food.
Oh
We
no.
don't have food for our dog. A dog is its name is Agio and Alantoy. It also starts with letter A. You know that? Oh, see. Oh, so hard to pretend that I'm English error. My grammatically is error. See? Oh.
Agio.
Agio.
Alanto.
Come on, that's Agio. See? Its name is also start with letter A. Agio. That one is Agio. But we don't have food for them because I forgot. Because we don't have motor to ride on. It's over
Lantoy.
almost an hour. We're walking. Oh,
This one. What?
this one is aguaba. It also starts with letter A. Aguaba. In Bisaya, in our term, we call it abayabas. Atugas. Atugas is a kind of tree. Source of income. This is aguaba. You need to watch that aguaba. Abayabas that.
Oh. Okta. Oh. Gio. Lantoy. Where are you going?
I found the guava. Fresh aguava from the sea. Sea of river.
Give me aguaba.
That's your aguava.
Thank you.
The spider here. I don't know where we're going.
Pili ka nung dito.
Yeah. That one is good for the heart.
Hmm.
Abayabas that.
Bakit mo?
Kana sa nang nasubos ng baho imong simuhon.
Gahi.
Dahi dito. Sorry. Cut.
Really ball.
Yeah. Oh, that one also already one. It's good also. Ready to eat. You can eat. A car.
This one.
This one we call it akanding-kanding. Oh, look at the flowers.
Agot.
Oh, agot. No. Alumboy. And sorry, but our electricity is need to fix. Our motor is still there.
Jan is absent.
Absent is danger. Our motor is still there. It's not going anywhere. Our motor is make us walking. And we're very tired of walking, you know. Oh,
You're
so
tired.
far. Yeah, so far.
You said you're strong.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
tired.
strong, but I'm tired. Tired of walking. Because the kamuti of my mama is eating the goat. Yeah. I killed that goat. All of that goat.
Nilawa ako agad.
And now we're finally here. Here at the place. That's my
Fish pond.
fish pond before. Suddenly, oh, goes. Oh,